If you're on YouTube, do not forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my streams, because they're lots of fun. We have heaps of fun. Okay, let's get into it. We're good. We're good to go. Good to go. Fuck, that's loud. Alrighty, Friday. Let's get stuck into it. Right, okay. Weird. I'm just gonna have a look at everything real quick. The usual shit that people want to look at. Nothing really happening on those ones. Well, so yeah, some guy came in the other day and was like, "What up, Meeksy? How are you?" Some guy the other day came in and said he was long-term shorting oil, which I thought was just psychopathic. Weird. Anyway, let's get stuck into it. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Yes, correct. About 3. How are we today? Friday. Thank you for liking the stream, Meeksy. I appreciate that. Friday. What are they going to make me do? 100k likes, really? 500 comments. Maybe get that. We'll get this one. We should get this one. No. I'm not doing the math right now. Leave me the fuck alone. Fuck, is that not connected to my Discord now? I had mad problems with... Okay, no, it's sweet. I had mad problems with OBS just before. That's why I'm a little bit late. My entire fucking... YouTube just wasn't connected to my OBS anymore, which was fucking bizarre, but... Am I delayed now, too? Is my voice delayed? Can someone... I don't know what the fuck was happening, but... I think we're good. I'm not too sure, but I think we're good. I don't think so. Okay, cool. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck was happening, but OBS decided it didn't want to be working anymore. We got some pretty negative retail sales for the pound this afternoon. I don't think that had much of an impact though. Not really. Bit of a drop, and we pretty much just V-shape recovered after that anyway. So yeah, nothing really. I got out a pound US dollar today. Sound good? Sweet. I was in a big basket on pound US dollar, and I got out up here somewhere. Which was nice. Nice little profit. It was Sully. Thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Thank you. What is this music? Alrighty. What flares do we have, ladies and gentlemen? Where are you from? Brizzy? We got a couple tier 1s. We got a tier 2 as well. I don't know if I want to pop a tier 2 because it's Friday. Although maybe I should pop a tier 2 because it's Friday. Get some more people in here because, as we all know, Fridays tend to be very quiet. Yeah. As you can see, 6 fucking people. What's the graph mean? Sorry, I don't know anything about day trading. That's okay. Brisbane, Australia. So this is basically just representation of price action throughout a specific period of time. So this is, we're on a 5 minute. So each one of these is 5 minutes worth of price action. So banks, institutions, hedge funds, pension funds, retail traders have a very small amount of impact into this, but we do have some. And basically each tick is money going into the market, and then it's represented on our computers at home as a chart, as a candlestick, sorry. And then you have different periods of time. So this is 30 minutes, this is hour, and basically it's just the movement that you have throughout that specific time period. Bro, all good. Bitcoin pumping. I just looked at that and I don't think it, oh shit, that's what I looked at. It was all the way out in 1 hour. Yeah, damn. Yeah, shit. Got some movement. And Saggy Ball Sacks, thank you very much for following me. Appreciate that. Very slow. Friday. What's everyone doing the weekend? I like hearing everyone's plans. I might have to ask it again a little bit later when a few more people in here, because we just went live. Why would Bitcoin be pumping? As of like about an hour or two ago. No idea. Working as always, yeah. No good, but oh well, get that bag. How long does it take to learn to trade confidently? It's different with everyone, honestly. It took me 2 years till I was confident, so it really depends. I've seen people do it in 6 months. I've seen people 5 years in and they still have no clue what they're doing. So it's very subjective to who you are, how you learn, who you learn from, where you get your information from overall as well. So it is super subjective. I have 20K to burn. What should I invest in? I don't do long-term investing, so not really my forte. I don't know. If you don't know if you've got 20K and you don't know what you should invest in, maybe focus on some education, learn a lucrative skill. Doesn't matter what it is, doesn't have to be trading, it can be fucking anything. And then put the 20K towards that lucrative skill once you've spent some time learning about it. What program? MT4, MetaTrader 4. God, I'm a bit fucking, I'm a bit jittery today. Do I always come on live stream? Yep. Every day, or Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, depending on how I'm feeling. 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. A bit late because my OBS decided to log me out of my YouTube and everything. So I had to fucking figure out what was going on there. get it all set up again. So I was like 15 minutes late. Sorry. But yeah. Follow me if you want to see some more, you know? I would 100% launch a 20k into EA. Well, I mean, yeah, you would, probably. God, I'm fucking super just not there today. Or tonight. I was fine today. Takes a bit to work, MT4. Nah. In terms of what, computing power? Or like, knowledge or what? Not too sure what you mean. So slow. Let's get it. Oh, fuck, that's what I was doing. Yeah, do not invest that into crypto. I just gotta do this. Okay, yeah, there's no chance. What is this fucking music? Okay. Does a brother take your money if you live it there? What? If you live it there? I don't know what that means. FX money, sorry. Bro, higher profits this week than last. Best week to date. Really? I mean, the account balance is increasing, so obviously your profits will be increasing, but I thought you were going to have a smaller week this week. But fuck yeah. We'll take it. Good job. Jimmy, inbox me. Don't do that. Yeah. If not rude to ask, how much do you make them? Yeah, I literally had our chat up waiting. Fucking hell. I'm proud. That's a fucking amazing job. That is a fucking Jesus. Fucking hell. That's literally insane. Like, I don't think you understand for the account size that you have. That's actually fucking like insane. So I don't talk about dollar figures for reasons you can probably figure out, but I make about 7.5% of my account per month. I thought I was doing a lot better than I was. I wasn't really paying attention to my monthly profit. I thought I was on like just over 6 like 2 days ago, but I'm at 5.98 now. So about 6% for this month so far, which I'm happy with. But I thought it was a little bit over 6. Do I have a Telegram channel? I have a Discord. I have a free Discord. Discord's linked to my bio if you want to jump in and check it out. And yeah, come talk some shit. Yes, Discord, no Telegram. Bro, I'm getting rid of this fucking guy. Sounds like a scammer. Put 50k into gold and silver or stocks. I don't trade gold or silver or stocks, so I'm not 100% too sure with that. Do you trade ICT concepts? Absolutely fucking not. I use fair value gaps, but I've been using them before they were even popular. They're originally called wide range bars, been around since the 90s. It is a good tool to use, but ICT just renamed it. Any of his other shit, no. I just call them fair value gaps now because it's what everyone calls them. Made 10k trading Bitcoin this morning. Nice, I'm not surprised. Boss man, thank you very much for sharing. What happens if there is a world war? What do you mean? Like in terms of trading or what? Where are you from? Brisbane? Australia? What's the best broker? Boss man, that's enough. Don't make me turn the shit off. Come on, brother. The best broker, it depends where you live. For Australians, Black Bull, 100%. Black Bull markets. Because there should be no one better. Man, I'm all over the place today. What is everyone doing for their weekends? I want to know. Now that we got some people in here, tell me. Yeah, Black Bull. Yep. The big Black Bull. Yeah. Make sure if you're not following me as well, follow me, weirdos. I have to go to work. Damn, that's shit. Going hunting with my thermal scope. Actually, that's kind of pretty cool. That's pretty fucking cool. Highly recommend taking a look at trader name Zeusy on YouTube. Amazing content. I'm always happy. I'm very speculative of anyone on the internet, but I'll have a look. I'll have a look. You know what's crazy? My fucking YouTube went absolutely nuts last night. Nat Nail, thank you very much. Hello. On YouTube. My YouTube went absolutely ballistic last night for some reason. We don't get any, like my stream on YouTube is just there, right? For people if they want to look at fucking the full charts and everything. But it popped the fuck off last night. I was like, what the fuck? Oh, he's an ICT trader? Yeah, probably not. Cool, look into it. Easy. How much per trade? What do you mean? How much per trade? Me and you and Fiji Nation, thank you very much for following. I saw the in fair value gap go in at the bottom. But I'm not looking at trading this. Hi guys, I'm looking for someone to trade my ICT account worth 50k. I only know how to trade Bitcoin and with a bot. What do you trade? That sounds suspicious. Zen, thank you very much for following me. This is strange. But I trade currencies. What's your YouTube? I'll put my YouTube here. It's my YouTube. If you want to go check it out, subscribe. I don't post much on there, but I got the streams up all the time. Andre, hello on YouTube. How you going? How many months profitable are you? Years. About 3 years. Nice. Can we work together? Sure. Oh, if I've got full TP at 21. Wait, I don't know what you're talking about, to be honest. What do you think of Trading Pool? I don't have any thoughts on him because I have no idea how he trades. I think he's a fantastic marketer. But I'm speculative of anyone that promotes prop firms. Terrible for beginner traders. Absolutely awful. Nice. Surely there's a way you can trade people's money and take a percentage. Yeah, I don't do that, and I won't do that. Doesn't matter. It does matter how long you've been profitable. People can say they've been profitable for 1 month, and it doesn't matter. You haven't been through all the ups and downs of this shit. Can I start options with like 20 bucks? I don't know. I've never traded options ever in my life. Nice. Smart. That's how you don't get kneecapped. Well, it's not just that. It's like, I don't want the fucking pressure of having other people's capital on the line. No one's kneecapping me, brother. Lisa, thank you very much for following me. Josh, thank you very much for following me. Can I borrow 50 bucks? It's so funny how Americans say my name. I'm Australian. Where are you from? Adri? Adrie. Where are you from? Lito. Thank you very much for following me. What are you trading? Forex, currencies? Do you trade for people or you trade for just yourself? Just myself. But I do help people. Or entertain people. How can I overcome the fact I hit my trades on the practice and never on the combine? I mean, go back to a demo account and keep going. Keep trying. It's probably a psychological issue then. And it's probably just, you might have been using a strategy that doesn't work in the long run too. Oh, thanks, my bro. I'll give you my pay ID. Send me 20, bro. No. Where's the best place to go learn MT4? YouTube, probably. Bro, you jumped my comment. What was the comment? I think I did. Hi, dear. Hello. Right now, I just hit my TP 1K. Nice. South Africa. So is that Australia in the background there? Yep. It is. How are you? I'm good. I'm fantastic. Why MT4 and not MT5? MT5's buggy as shit. And it's better to develop EAs on MT4, which is what I did. MT5s as well, like every time they come out with a new fucking update, they break the whole system. It's fucked. So, I don't. Fuck. I can help a little. Man, do I need to just start getting rid of these people trying to fucking... These fucking fake accounts, man? Like... so annoying. Did you study a degree or learn from trial and error? Trial and error, and years of failing. Could someone please tell me why dodgy online casinos aren't a good investment? I mean, they probably are at the moment. Go to FX, thank you very much for following. Today I'm up 3.4 on practice. Nice. Can someone please? Okay. 0 on the combine. Yeah, that's not good. I don't know what the combine is. I thought you just meant like the live account. I don't know what the combine is. I'm trading gold. Are you too? Nah, I don't trade gold. Only currencies. Melbourne? What about Melbourne? Could someone please... Okay. How long for a beginner with all the classes and lessons and right tools will it take to earn cash? Well, that's subjective, bro. So it took me 2 years. I've seen it take people a hell of a lot less than that. And I've seen it take people a hell of a lot longer than that too. So it depends on... who you're getting classes and lessons from, for starters, because the majority of people out here don't know what the fuck they're even doing and just trying to sell fucking a course that is bullshit based off of probably ICT, and everybody knows that ICT is a failed trader, so why the fuck would anyone listen to his or use his strategy? It makes no fucking sense. If you started from scratch with all your knowledge, how would you approach it? I mean, I get that question a lot. I would just do the exact same thing I'm doing now. I'd just set it up. You know what I mean? I don't particularly understand what all that, like how that question's framed. When do you know you've made it, mate? Oh, that's different for everyone. Well, who's a fake account? I think this trader guy was sus. Hey bro, what's your thoughts on the crypto bull run? Is it over? That's a great question. So I'm not too well versed into crypto, but I look at things a little like logically, right? So lots of people have bought this shit like crazy, right? They have to take, I'm sure a lot of these people are going to want to take profit at some point. Whilst we're going sideways, look at what happened here, and then we crash back down. We don't have the pressure to continue going up. We don't have the buying pressure. So whether we just accumulate here for ages and then come back down to these sorts of levels, we really don't know, because we don't know what sort of regulations or anything that's going to happen with crypto either. So I got no clue. Honestly. Jano ... massive views of life. Thank you guys very much for following me. Not me, brother. Hi, much love. Yeah, no, not you. Josh is a fake account. No, I don't think he is. Nah. No, it was that other guy who was like, oh, I can help you, fucking message me. It's like, anytime they're usually fucking full of shit. Top step, the challenge. Oh, right, yeah. If you're a beginner, bro, you shouldn't be using prop firms. What types do you trade? What do you mean, what types do I trade? So what we doing? Kicking back, it's Friday. Do you trade in the international palm tree oil market? ICT isn't a good rapper? What? Josh. Oh, what are your thoughts on the new titty coin? Jesus. Was bro marking? Oh yeah. I kind of go a bit crazy when I get the marker out and I just start fucking, I'm like talking with my fucking marker. So sorry if it's a bit of a disaster there. Would you say Bernie Madoff one of your greatest influences? I don't even know who that is. Just quit meme coins, G. Good. There was no real news for Bitcoin to rocket. Yeah, I don't know. Thanks for being honest. Really appreciate it. That's okay. That's what I'm here for. What do you trade? Forex, so currencies. So all the majors. Yep, anything is good time. YQ, thank you very much for following me. Why you want to invest in meme coins, bros trading NQ, something that has a backing meme coins? I'm not trading NASDAQ at the moment. I used to, but a couple months ago, I haven't traded them. I was trading them for like a year and a half. Now it's just gonna be fucked. Now that I've got all the community and everything to deal with, Forex is a lot easier. Instead of having to stare at fucking market opens and shit. 3 Alchemy with the You're Awesome. Thank you very, very, very much. Adri. Awesome. Switching to MT4 then. Mad. I mean, personal preference, honestly. But if that's what you think might be a good idea, go for it. I certainly fucking hate MT5. You scalp or swing? I don't scalp. Day to swing. So I can be in, you know, within an hour. I can also be in for 2 months. Just depends. I'll just rug pulls. Yeah, meme coins are. Yeah. Hedge fundery was. Oh, true. What are you trading now? Forex. What about the R. Kelly Renminbi? R. Kelly. I'm confused. I don't know if you're talking about R. Kelly or some random. I don't know. Can I make a decent amount with 1K to trade? How would you split it? You won't make a lot of money from $1,000. No. Well, I mean, it depends. Like some people consider, you know, if you're in fucking Sudan, $10 can go a long way. But if you're in like Australia or something, it's you're not gonna make too much from 1K. But you can trade with 1K and slowly build your account and add to it and everything. But yeah. Brady, yeah. Irons. Thank you very much for following me. Hi, do you use an app? Yeah, MT4. Can you invest the 11 cents in my bank account? Thoughts on TradeEvade? Is that a broker? I'm pretty sure that's a dodgy as fuck broker. Meegsy with the tiny dining, and I bet Meegsy has smashed the ever-living fuck out of like button, and she has. 4,000 for Meegsy. 3 Alchemy, 777, Josh 597, Jack P 500, Speedy 213, Lance 147, Trader, lol, I got rid of him. 100, Sanchez 63, The Real Kaya 17. Thank you guys for all the likes. I appreciate it, laddie. And thank you for the tiny dining. You're awesome. I appreciate that a lot too. I'm looking to start. Where can I start? Go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio, and then watch the 1 hour video on getting started. What pairs are you looking at for New York Open? I don't scalp New York Open anymore, so none. What's the best way to make my first million? Jesus. From your advice, do you think 3% per week is a good target? 3% per week is it's pretty good, yeah. That's gonna be, what, 12% per month? That's a lot, yeah. Yeah, that's a lot. John, thank you very much for following me. This is a Ponzi scheme, jeez. Migsy, I'm coming for you. You better keep on tapping. What's that mean, 3%? So 3% of your account size. So let's say you have $100,000. 3% is going to be $3,000. And if you're not using some auto tap thing, yeah, that's the crazy thing is Migsy goes full manual with the likes. It's fucking insane. Ew, Trey Hodges, thank you very much for following me. Oh my god, these guys, man. According to my doctor, I'm the lowest 3%. Oh my god, I'm at 6% of my practice on 50k. Yeah, well, I mean, so there was a guy who used to come in here a lot who fucking chucked money in and made 100%. No, 1,000%. He made 1,000% of his account in fucking, I don't even know, like 3 days. And then blew it all. Like, he just got lucky. He just full ported and got lucky. So, I don't know. How long have you been doing it for, Believer? Because 6k in a week's pretty fucking high. I've been making average 3% per week for 11 weeks now, but I'm afraid it's too much as I risk 0.5%. Depends on your strategy, but I risk anywhere between 0.1 to 0.25% per trade. So, I mean, that's fucking pretty good though. But have you done back tests and everything, Jack, to make sure that it's going to be, you have a long-term edge? Yeah, Josh, Jesus. What do you do? Okay. I don't know what. Anyway, 2 months, no mentor, own strategy. Yeah, okay. That's kind of wild. I'd be very speculative that would work long term. Very speculative, but good job so far. Like, you're doing a great job and you're making profits, but yeah, I'd be speculative about how long term that would work. Because I know some traders that have been doing this for years and years and years and are consistently profitable and don't make that. A lot of the time, I don't even make 3% per week. My average is 7.5% per month. So, I mean, if it's working, then good job. Jay and User, thank you guys very much for following me. Have you done a rat test? What strategy do you use? I use a version of dollar cost averaging, martingale, and mean reversion. What are you trading? Forex, currencies, nice. I just can't become confident in a challenge. Okay, so you've only been trading for 2 months. You've lost 8 $50 tests. Yes, stay away from prop firms. Stay away from prop firms as a beginner trader. Absolutely fucking stay away from them because they are designed, their entire business model is designed on you failing. And for beginner traders, it's just, you're just going to keep losing money. Okay, so let's just say you pass, right? And then you got to make money, right? And then the cycle just continues and continues. So they target people that are brand new traders to milk them dry from challenges. I changed my strategy according to the current markets, bro. Mainly scalp. I'm hitting roughly 80%. It's pretty good. What's your opinion on the Justin Bieber's, man? Jesus. But I like that idea of bringing the risk down to 0.25%. Yeah, well, it depends on how you trade too. 85% here. Are you really Mr. Anderson? Yeah, from the Matrix. What currency pair? This is pound US dollar. This is one that I got in and now I'm out of. I got out of it just up here with some nice profit. And I'll show you how this trade played out and how I trade too. Abu, thank you very much for following me. Oh, fuck. FTMO said I had a 500 daily loss when I was $50 out completing 10K challenge. I don't know what that means. I use my own capital. Yes, absolutely. Actually, no, don't use your own capital. If you're new, use demo for as long as you possibly can until you've gotten at least, like, I don't know, my recommendation's like at least 3 months of consistent profits, plus you've done back testing on your current strategy to make sure that it's profitable over all previous market conditions. I passed, am now a very active trader. Nice. Do you suggest using your own money? Yeah, live accounts over funded accounts, always. But demo first. Never had a loss over 380. True, that's fucked. Good morning, Dean. Hi, I'm late, that's all right. How you doing, B? How you doing? Are you using a fair value gap indicator? I developed this one, yeah. It just automatically prints them on. All the guys in the mentorship get it for free. So I'm having to fucking buy one for MT4. But yeah, I didn't even know what fair value gaps were when I started using them. They're always, to me, wide range bars or 1, 2, 3 gaps. ICT just made them popular. Frederick and Don't Blink, thank you guys very much for following me. Which time frame do you use to trade? I use 1 hour for my highly time frame bias and then 5 minute for entries. Made 2K with your strat. I don't think you did. I don't know who you are. Do you think gold will continue to go up today? I don't trade gold, no idea. Save up your capital and use demo till 100% confident, bro. Practice makes perfect. Absolutely. A treasure box? The fuck? The rabid drop bear? What a goat. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Maybe we'll hit our... I think the max people we've ever had in here was like 140. There was one time where someone paid... I don't know what he was doing, but a bunch of bots came in. And all that shit. It was fucked. How much do you... On average, do you make per week? In percentages... 7.5 divided by 4. Under 2.5%. Do you think gold would... Yeah, I don't know. How'd you go from that? Did they fix their error or not? What? Bro, what a goat pulling a fucking treasure box. Okay, it didn't bring that many people in here, but make sure you get stuck into it. Collect those coins, kiddos. Collect those coins. Collect the coins. Oh, what did I just see there? A heart me. Thank you very much, B. Thank you, thank you. Good job, guys. Thank you, Dean, for the love you so much. I appreciate it. Jack P and... Just Jack P. Thank you very much for following. Do you sponsor any kids through World Vision? No. Right, so can also use your capital and profit. Oh, Musa, what? We got Musa in here. The OG of OGs. What's good? You're awesome. Love you so much. TGIF, you're awesome times 2. Bro, thank you. TGIF, you're... Oh, wait, I don't even know where we're at. Oh, my God, he sent a bunch. Oh, wait, no, he didn't. That's everyone's. Stop. No more Musa. I'll get to you. I'm sure you're in here somewhere. I'm still shit, but life will go on. Do you know? Do you get a bottle of wine or something to just drink it away. It's terrible advice, but it works. What do you mainly trade? Forex, currencies. Musa, what's good? Musa's one of the biggest OGs in the stream. It's good to see you. How you been? How much money is that? What? Let's go. One coin. Nice. When I moved over from Forex to futures, trading took off me. Yeah, I mean, good job. GU? Yeah, it's GU. Love you, Tom. Love you too, bro. It's good to see you. Has anyone ever said you share a cunning resemblance to Nick Carter from the Backstreet Boys? No. No. Let's have a look. I know you're just trolling the fuck out of the stream, but this is the last troll I will read. What? Are we anything like this guy? Thumb up? Got a lot of money in the encryption market. Okay. Thank you. From Canada? Okay. Are you actually from Canada? That's mad. What was Australia broker use? Black bull markets. Has anyone? All right. Bad advice, but it does work. What was the bad advice? Lol, did I make you laugh though? Yeah. Ban him. Nah. Love you, brother. Love you too. Journey pass from Musa too. Fucking no more gifts. What do you mainly trade? Forex. I'm pretty sure you've asked that like 15 times. What do you mainly trade? Yeah, bro. Forex, currency pairs. I'm not saying it again. I'm up 10k buy. Nice. Yeah, full put ban. Nah. To be. All right. Yeah, terrible advice. Yeah. Nah, that's right. She's in here, so it's all good. It's all good. Maybe we should get Mr. Orange Man back in here and fucking have a Musa! Ah, fucking hell. With the TikTok rose, ice cream cone, heart me, and you're awesome. And love you so much. Love you so much. Heart me. Oh, sorry, heart puff, TGIF. Yours. I don't even know where I am. GG. Bro's going off. Bro's going off with the fucking gifts. What the fuck? Thank you very much, Musa. I really appreciate it. I do really appreciate it. Helps the stream. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry, I left and came back. Oh, sweet. Bro, Musa, thank you. Lisa, thank you very much for following. Blueberry markets, never even heard of them. What's your rule if you lose, Tom? How much do you allow drawdown? I have specific drawdown rules. I'm not going to go into my entire drawdown schedule, but I will start to cut losses when I'm in about 15% drawdown. I'll take a couple of, cut a couple of positions, depending maybe. I can handle a lot of drawdown though. And on a single pair, 3 to 5%. 100 ROI, Josh. Definitely should do something like that. I rewatched it last night. So did I. I actually went back and rewatched it. It was fucking so funny. Like, oh, that was fucked. The rabbit drop bear with the heart me and Musa with the fluffy penguin. Thank you guys very much. Dot and NT Gold US Killer. Thank you guys very much for following me. Is 10k enough capital to start with? That's plenty of capital. Yeah, absolutely. And from Kenya, mad. Blew my account recently. Need your help, bruv? Of course, join Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Do you offer coaching? Yeah, I do. I got a mentorship program that I do. The link's also in my bio if you want to join that, but it's no get rich quick scheme that you're going to see on the fucking internet. And I'm pretty brutally honest, so yeah. Better than getting lied to. Is it true that you have to know when to hold them, Know when to fold them. Yep. Musa, go popular. And a cap? From the rabid drop bear? Bro. What the fuck? You were 1 coin off blowing my eardrums out. Thank God. Fluffy Penguin, go popular, and the cat. Bro. What's with the gifts tonight? How's it been 45 minutes already? What the fuck? I feel like I've been streaming for 10 minutes. What the fuck? He's a scammer, you reckon? Please tell me how. Please tell me how. Go. Oh, shit! Migsy! With the hand hearts. Migsy with the hand hearts. Rabbit drop bear with the tiny dinies. Oh, we're going off. We're going off. And the roses. Migsy with the fucking hand hearts. Migsy, you never have to donate to me. Nobody does, but you send so many likes. 3 Alchemy with his auto clickers about to surpass you. But that's okay. You do that shit manually, which is fucking insane. Thank you guys very much for the likes. John, 2K. Josh, 1.6. Jack P, 1.4. Elizabeth, 488. Paluski, 300. Speedy, 200. Lance, 147. I really want to talk to this guy about saying I'm a scammer. I really want to know. Like, that would be nice. Hopefully we can get another one of last night in if he wants to join the and actually talk to me and yeah, I'm sure that'd be pretty entertaining for you guys. Bro, thank you guys so much for the gifts, man. Musa, Meezy, Rapid Drop Bear, Dean, B, Meezy again, 3 Alchemy. I really appreciate it a lot. So thank you guys. Do you play Robbie Williams? Okay. Okay, so you're a shit trader. Yeah, he coaches you to lose money. Sticky with the heart, me. Thank you very much. Stay away. I've never seen this guy ever in my life before, so like, yeah. Do not buy anything. He's a scammer. Can he request so I can talk to this guy? I'd love to talk to him. We saw what happened last night when someone tried to do that. Stock or crypto? Neither. Forex? How much money do I need to start trading? Depends. It's very subjective. Very subjective. I recommend, my recommendation is like a couple of grand, but you shouldn't even be at that point when you first start. You should be demo trading regardless and then worrying about how much money you need later because demo trading's free, right? Birdchop with the Heart Me and the Go Popular. Thank you very much, Birdchop. Thank you. I appreciate it and welcome. He's a scammer. Don't buy his program. He's a scammer. Are you a full-time trader? Yes. Stuff, lol. Oh, lol. Yeah. Can you repeat what you just said? My network was a bit hicked up. Oh, I was just saying thank you for the likes. Birdchop reached member level 15, which is the highest member level that we have. Birdchop, congratulations, level 15. Thank you. Megsy, lol, stock of crypto. Your style Swiss. What about it? Do you want to have a look at it? Had to do that once. Yeah, thank you. My ears are now broken. But no, thank you very much for that. Like, so much. How much? It's subjective. I don't know what that is. I don't auto-click, don't you? Not too sure how you want to be taken seriously if you can't read comments, bro. Is this person serious? I am reading I'm reading every single comment. That's why it takes me a little bit of time. Give me a break. I'm not like everyone else that just skips every comment. I just have fast fingers. Hey Pope, what up user? How are you? I'll show you how to trade NQ futures if you want to do a sesh. Nah. I've traded NQ for about a year and a half. But yeah, I'm all good, but yeah, I appreciate it. Don't waste your time with random. Ah, nah, it's fun. Grab a drop there. I've learned Forex is hard. It's all hard. Do you run a trading business for tax purposes? I don't particularly think I should answer that. Any tax related stuff I don't really talk about. About to level up? You did! Biggest fan you are. Do you mind sharing what you make monthly on average? I share my account profit average, which is about 7.5%. Your page is all meme coins. Selwyn, thank you very much for following. Do you think bullish or bearish? On what? How much money have you made? Billions and billions and millions and millions. What's your age? 26? For sure. Okay, all good. Hello, are you also trading crypto? No. Anka! What's good, brother? It's good to see you again. We got Musa and Anka back in here. Two of the biggest OGs. And we got Birchop, as usual. We got the full OG club back in here. Training's been good. Training's been really good. Training's been fantastic. Tino. Big Tino. Thank you very much for following me. What capital do you currently trade with? A bit. In the words of Trump. Trillions and billions and billions and trillions. What platform do you trade on? MT4. Fucking hell. Been so busy with uni cuz hope the streams have been going well. They have. Look at our viewers now. I mean, we're dropping a little bit now, but we were averaging like 90, 100 just before. But yeah, nah, streams are going fucking mad. It's really popping off, keeping me busy in the free Discord and the mentorship. The mentorship guys are fucking killing it. It's like, bro, it's just wild. Like it's actually wild. I couldn't imagine. I only have 3,000 fucking followers on TikTok. Imagine if I had fucking 30,000, 300,000. It's getting nuts. I'm excited. I love the added, it's sort of pressure, you could say. It's fucking amazing. It's actually so good. I love it. I want more. Hi, Tom. I'm new in FT, but I really want to know more. Can you mentor me, please? Yeah. I have a mentorship program. Musa! With the heart signal! Brother. OG, thank you for fucking hurting my ears. You don't need to do that, bro. You're like, been here forever. You don't need to send me shit. Bro, I really appreciate that. I got break for 5 weeks. How much can I learn over this period? I mean, it depends how much you want to apply yourself, but quite a bit. Learn a shitload in 5 weeks. Thank you, bro. That fucking hurt. And I'm surprised half our viewers didn't leave. Is that really loud for you guys? Ask Speedy. Is Speedy in here? Bro, Speedy learned so fucking quick. I don't think he is. I think he jumped out, but I mean, he's in the mentorship and he learned fucking pretty quick. He's still learning, but he's fucking doing absolutely fantastically. But yeah. Bro, there's no way Don't Blink is asking again. I'm not answering that again. Join the Discord should be my first move, then I can contact you from there, yeah? Yeah, of course. Are you in the Discord, the free one? I don't think you are. I don't think so. Yeah, just message me on Discord. A lot of people message me on TikTok, and it's like, fuck, man, my TikTok inbox is just full of spam shit. Like, it's so hard to talk to people on. You didn't answer, I did. Every time. And I've said it about 15 times in the stream, bro. I want to quit trading. Give me some tips how to leave it forever. So you want to leave it forever or you want to stay? And why do you want to quit? What happened? Good morning, bro. Good morning, Dammy Codum. Dammy? Good morning. Trapper and NPC. Thank you guys very much for following me. I appreciate that. Pick a number between 1 and 30. 17. From Africa, mad. There's been a couple of people, like 4 or 5 people. Oh my god. I should have said 1. Musa with the 17. Love you so much. Bro, stop it. Thank you, bro. Thank you. All right, that's enough. Like, can you promise me that's it for tonight, please? Nah. 1. You're trading gold? No. Currencies. Have you seen White Tyrant in the market recently? No. Just gold? No. What's the optimal time for you to be doing your trades? Like time frame of how long I'm in trades, or the optimal like actual time? Like, I'm putting half my account on Nvidia tonight at market open. Jesus. Oh man. What? Bro, don't send me anymore. No more. You didn't answer, is this gold? I did. No, it's not gold. Tyrone the name. Nah, I don't know. I don't know what or who that is. Oh, Euro USD or Pound USD. This is Pound US dollar. I was going to show you guys the trade that I got into and out of. I got out of a couple today, but this is a good example of my strategy and how it works. The other ones were just in and out. What's the best currencies to trade during Australian session times? Australian session times. Honestly, I'm not too sure because I've never really... That would consist of potentially scalping to like super intraday trading, which I don't really do. I've never really paid too much attention to what goes on during the Australian session times for specific currencies. So I would not be able to tell you. Seriously, just wouldn't be able to tell you. I trade all currency pairs in all session times, except for Swiss and Yens. Most Swiss and Yens. I have a couple, but yeah. Stay away from the spamation. Okay. Which currency? What do you mean? What do I mean? What? I'm so confused. Nice. USD odd. I thought currencies were 24 hours. They are, yeah. Alright, so here's a fantastic example of how I trade, if people were wondering how I trade. So, actually we'll go 5 minute and we'll get this off of the screen for the moment. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, so can you guys see that? Maybe not. Alright, so we had our extension in the markets. Oh, fuck you. We had our extension in the markets down here, right? Big drop down. We retraced a little bit. My bot, through my secret parameters, detected that we were in an extended condition. Going long, because we're only risking 0.25% of a trade, we don't need to put a stop loss in. We can scale into our position. So when the market really extended, we got into another long. That puts our average about here. So this is our break-even line. So we extended even further, which would panic most people, but I was in literally fuck all drawdown in this position. So we got into another buy. So now we're in 3 buys, and this was our average right here. This yellow line was our average. It does disappear when a new trade comes in. I've just coded it into stay because it was disappearing and it was fucking annoying me. So Now, our break-even line's here and our take profit's about here. So we only need a smaller pullback. We're changing our entry, right? So we're entering constantly, waiting for the inevitable move back up, which, as you should all know, currencies tend to revert back to their means. Not only that, they spend 70 to 80% of the time in a range. So range, price discovery, range. Spend 70 to 80% of the time in a range. So we only had to get a little bit further to get to our TP, which is exactly what happened. We came up in a profit, not enough for us to take profit, not enough for us to take profit. I believe my TP was at this gap here. Pretty sure I set it to this gap, the gap fill. We got our push back up, break and retest off last week's low. Came back up, take profit, boom, cash, money in the bank. And this is Tom. Money, money, money. It's as simple as that. I mean, there's a lot to go into it. Hence why I just recorded a fucking 4-hour masterclass that's about to come out in the mentorship group. But, you know. Let's go dark orange. Oh. Yes. No, I'm going to keep it green. Green for money. I was trading pound CAD before. Is that a good pair at the moment? I'll see if I'm in pound CAD. I don't think I am. I got out of I think I was in pound CAD today. Oh no, I am in pound CAD. I got out of pound. Not pound New Zealand. Pound Swiss. No, I didn't get out of that today. What the fuck was it? Maybe it was just New Zealand dollar CAD I was thinking of. Must have been. Oh, New Zealand dollar CAD. That's what I got in and out of. I'm tripping. It wasn't pound CAD. It was New Zealand dollar CAD. I got confused. But I am in. Wait. Never mind. You're doing Euro CAD. Okay. I'll have a look at that. AFK. All good. Welcome back. Pair Trey, thank you very much. Tesla stock's good. I'll have a look at that in a second. Let's have a look at Eurocard. I was in it a couple of days ago. For short, potentially. You could potentially short out of this gap. I probably wouldn't. If we can get another pop, I might be in shorts on that to my bot, but we might end up coming up to last week's high. So getting in here might be a little bit risky and maybe waiting till we get up to last week's high for a short. Again, that's just my way of trading. You could be trading a completely different way to me and that doesn't work with your logic. Look at this. As I was saying before, 70 to 80% of the time we're spent in a range. But I heavily capitalized off of this swing up and then the inevitable move down because as you can see, we're spending the majority of our time in a range. This is basically just one big range with a little bit of price discovery down there. Oh, wrong one. Sam and Pong Plant Trade. Thank you guys very much for following me. Oh yeah, fucking Tesla. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't trade stocks, so I got fucking no clue. Are you trading Forex currencies? Right, I just short my whole account. Jesus Christ. Oh, MT4. Small wins on XLM as well as Dogecoin. Nice. Waiting for Nvidia to do that. To do what? Drop? So you can short your whole account. Short Dogecoin in the next half hour Oz time. Why is that? I'm not going to, but I wanted to know what I can do if it's using your strategy. It would be better or joining some prop. Do not join prop. If you're a beginner, do not join prop. Okay, sorry for the people who are usually in here because I say this a lot, but I'll say it again. Prop's designed for you to lose, right? So the only way that prop firms make money is from you failing challenges. So they target new traders who don't know what they're talking about and don't have enough capital to fund a live account. And they, sell you the dream that you're going to be able to trade with fucking hundreds and thousands of dollars. It's unrealistic. Makes fucking no sense. And so they make the rules as strict as possible. So it's very difficult. It's very difficult. So I don't recommend joining prop. And they don't allow my strategy on prop because they know it works. They've banned my strategy. And they ban the majority of other strategies that allow you to actually make money. And if you do make money, half the time they'll tell you, oh, actually, no, you broke some fucking rule that didn't even exist. Is there any science behind chart analysis? Science? I mean, I wouldn't say science, but what's the word? I can't even think of the word right now. Just do it in the next one. Dad, is that you? Yep. Sure, I dare you to put it on race 8 at Albion. No. I'm on the wave, bruh. XRP to the moon. Jesus. How much you reckon is good for a live account? 5 to 10K? Yeah, that's a fantastic amount for a live account. Especially for getting started. Like, obviously go demo first and try with the demo account to make sure that the strategy is profitable, but yeah, 5 to 10K is a decent amount. Yeah, it's a good start. Do you reckon I could pay you to be my life coach? Probably. How many years have you been on trading? Or almost 5 years. XRP to the moon or what, mate? I see you at the top. Okay. Methodology. Oh, fucking. Okay, I'm gonna explain why I'm so not all here today. So, last night I ate something and was not well. I don't know. I just felt like shit, right? So I barely slept. Woke up fucking way earlier than I usually would. And then I just haven't eaten. So there's like literally everything in my body came out of me. And then I just have not eaten a single thing, which I usually don't do. So I'm pretty fasted, but I'm very heavily caffeinated. But I think I'm a little bit too heavily caffeinated. So, you know, I'm at around the 500 milligram of caffeine mark. So I'm just not on like not much sleep and fucking a bit stomach's still fucked. So I'm a bit disabled today. So I apologize if my brain's not fucking working. How can I get your strategy though? I have no capital right now. Just blew my account. Doesn't matter if you have no capital. You should be demo trading anyway. But my entire strategy is on the mentorship. I don't just give it out for free. Otherwise, like, just wasting time, essentially. I like helping, but yeah, I just don't give it out for free. But yeah, that's the mentorship's linked to my bio. No, I made 3 payouts on my 50K funded, so using that for my live account. So that's a good idea. That's what you should be doing. Do you even have a couple of bumps on your table when you're not living or living? No. Believe it or not, never touched it and I never will. RDD, I don't even know what that is. They stocks? Do you think it was your trading rival trying to take you out? Maybe the government thinks you know too much. Oh, right. Oh, I was crook. Nah. Nah. I don't know what the fuck it was, but it was just, yeah, I don't know. All I ate yesterday was 3 tins of pineapple and a bit of my slow. I'm on a cut, so three tins of pineapple, 2 eggs, and the slow cook that I made. Koi, thank you very much for following me. So I don't know why the fuck, but I wouldn't be surprised because I do like. I expose this industry all the time, and a lot of people make a lot of money from this industry. So. From their like fraudulent activities, so I wouldn't be surprised if someone's gonna come after me eventually. You in Australia? Yep. Dion, thank you very much for following me. We think that you won't order the $100,000. I don't know what that is. Levi, thank you very much for following me. How do you incorporate AI in trades? I don't. Eat fruits, mate. That's what I did. I ate 3 tins of pineapple yesterday. We think that you won't. I don't know what that even is. Check EuroCAD again. I'm on EuroCAD. Check Dogecoin and Stellar. Koi, Will Gibb, if he was straight. Yeah, I get that a lot. Yeah. Yeah, I do get the Will Gibb. And I say this all the time too. When I'm out, you know, if I'm out at the clubs or whatever, they're fucking... It hasn't actually happened for a while, but it's probably happened to me 10, 15 times. People want to take photos of me because they think I look like him and sound like him too. But this is just how I fucking sound like. Was it tomato-based slow cook? Yeah. Is TJR strategy good? I don't know. Tomato is full of acid, so is pineapple. Yeah, but I mean, I don't eat 3 tins of pineapple. Like, that's new. I would usually eat maybe 1 a day, maybe 2. And there was a lot of, I did put a fair bit of pineapple. I mean, tomato in there. But I don't know, it just didn't seem right. Dion and Levi, thank you again. I want to learn trading with you, but I don't have good fund to start with now. Do I have to start on demo? I recommend starting on demo regardless, yeah. Would now be a good time to short on what? On EuroCAD? So what are you talking about? Or was it Euro? Was Euro something? It was something else, wasn't it? Bro, I've got a room you can use as a safe house. Nah, real fruit, not tin. Yeah, true, probably. Yeah. No, ICT, absolutely fucking not. Yes. Waiting for LO Silver Bullet. I don't know what that is. What stocks are good right now? I don't trade stocks, sorry. Dad's gone drinking. That's a funny name. I like that. Do you use order blocks in your trading, bro? No. Yeah. I went from cutting to a cleanse. Yeah, literally body cleanse. That's funny. What the fuck were we looking at? It was... Oh, no. Not on the fucking VPS. Ah. God damn it. Oops. Well, we have broken out of here, and it just depends how far we're gonna go up. I actually might be in this. I might be getting back into this. If we get a slight extension again, I could get into this. But I need a little bit more of an extension to get in short. But it's not bad to see with something like this. I'd be scaling in, so I might get into this. My bot might get me into this, but if it continues to go up, doesn't matter. I'm just going to get in again, and then we could just see the exact same thing that happened down here, which is I'm not too sure if you can see it, but this is how I trade. I scale into my position. So you guys probably can't see that still. Oh well, there's 1, 2, 3 before we ended up getting our drop down. So just because you get in here, which is somewhat similar to that, you can still expect us to just keep going. That's why stop losses fucking suck. Gold. We can look at gold, but I got absolutely nothing to do with gold, so can't give you too much insight. Damn, I should have just done it. What in the Matrix? What? Is 80 Solana enough? That's a lot of fucking Solana. Cute Honest, thank you very much for following me. And User, thank you very much for following me. Well, that's great. To join you, I want suggestion from how to start on demo. So you basically just sign up with a broker and then open a demo account. It's pretty straightforward. And then with my strategy, I have a bot. So you get it for free in the mentorship. So you just apply it to the chart on a VPS. You'll probably have to get a VPS too. And then it'll just run. And it'll get you in and out of trades. I recommend obviously going through the material that I have and getting in a one-on-one with me and whatever to go through a little bit more. But yeah. Forex trading, most definitely. Can you grab the screen from a Lamar Jackson edit? Please, someone tell me what the fuck this Lamar Jackson edit shit is. I don't understand. I don't know what it is. It's so weird. So many people come in and say it. Must be like a trend or some shit. Anything on gold? Bro, I don't trade gold. I actually got to get it off my screen because all the gold traders are going to come in here, but it's just going fucking sideways. Long term, that's all I would really be looking at for gold. We're not... It's kind of sideways, I don't know. We're kind of up from down at these lows. Whether we go up or down, I have fucking no idea. I have absolutely no clue, and I'm not going to say that I do because I don't. I don't know how gold reacts to any news whatsoever. Gamer Store and Layanda, thank you very much for following me. We'll keep that Euro CAD open. Just keep an eye on it. What's your biggest tip? What a butchy boy too. You would give to be able to read the charts better. What's like the best tip? Well, if you're not using high time frame biases and lower time frame entries, that's probably where I would start. And I would try and keep it simple and not try and look for every single, because man, there are so many. I can guarantee you within this small space, about 30 different traders see 30 different fucking patterns that is the holy grail of patterns to fucking get in, and you're going to make a shitload of money off this because this pattern is happening. Just try not to focus on so many things and look at the bigger picture before going on to a smaller time frame. That's probably what I would suggest. Trade silver. Do you place any manual trades or just your bot? Yeah, sometimes. Anka, what's good? Thank you for the 3 roses. I appreciate that. It's good to have you back. Yeah, sometimes if I'm trying to aggressively get out of a position, so let's say for example on our Euro CAD, right? So why does this look so much more different than my fucking... Oh, that's why. I don't know, it's kind of tripping there. All right, so let's just say this continued to go up, right? Just continued to go up and up and up and up and up and up for a very long period of time. And I kind of wanted to get out really quickly. I can use an aggressive position, which is I could go in really aggressively, use a stop loss even though I don't want to, put it at, I don't know, I'd look at the technicals and see if there's a favorable level for me to put a stop loss at, usually about 1% away, and I would really aggressively short it to bring my break even all the way up and get out with profit. I rarely do that. I've only ever had to do that a couple of times. And if I see really good setups as well, like super high probability setups, I'll manual trade. But the majority of it is my bot. And the other thing is, oh my God, my fucking brain. All right. I don't fucking know. Did Orange Man join today? No, he didn't. No Orange Man today. How much have you made from trading? Millions and millions and billions and billions. Print them. Print what? I look at 4 hour and move in from there. Yeah, I mean, that's not the worst. Like, that's a pretty good... that's what I do a lot. So I got 1 hour for my highly time frame bias and then 5 minutes for my entries, but I will regularly jump onto the 4 hour and have a look at that too. Just in case I'm not completely content with the bigger picture, I'll jump on the 4 hour and have a look at it as well, but I try not to go too crazy. Like, I don't look at M1, M15, M30 very rarely daily, and I don't use weekly or monthly. 4 hour and move in from there. Buy or sell gold. I don't know. I don't trade gold. What platform is great for you to start on demo trading? It depends where you are from, because different brokers obviously don't allow people or give you different leverages and shit like that depending on your country's regulations. But Black Bull Markets is my go-to. Butchie boys. Hamas, thank you very much for following me. Do you think EuroCAD is about to have a big correction? I mean, we've been going sideways for fucking how long? On the bigger picture. Months. So whether or not this acts as resistance to come back down, we don't know. No fucking clue. If I knew, I'd full port it. Do you use RSI indicator? Yeah. But you can use any type of like stochastic. Or like something similar to RSI. It doesn't really matter. Just pick one. Bro, please leave trading. Okay, we got one. Ladies and gentlemen, we got one. We got a shit talker. Are you still in here? Please. Come on. Come on. Mo, thank you very much for following me. And Florence, thank you very much for following me. Which market is best for beginners? Pick one, doesn't matter. I like Forex. I started with Forex and here I am like 5 years later. So, yeah, I don't know. Forex. Julia, thank you very much for following. Tech stocks. You join the free one, if that's what you're looking for. You join the free Discord. That's not the mentorship. I don't know if you're looking for the mentorship, Abinu. But that's just the Discord that's linked to my bio. Oh, fuck, man. Okay. Fuck him off. No, I like talking to... Like, Butchie, were you here yesterday with the orange man? Are you on gold? No, this is EuroCAD. There you go. What is it going to be today? Apple? G'day. G'day, Julia. Am I a word that's going to get me suspended? Why do you say that, mate? I'd love to know. Can we get some haters? Like, we don't get that many anymore. It's like actually so much entertainment. What duel? Thank you very much for following. Daily bias on what? Yeah, bro, I only got the end of it though. Let's I feel like people like really missed out on that. Like, they just really missed out on it. So if you weren't here yesterday, we actually got to have a chat with a hater. Does anyone want to listen to a bit of the chat that we had with the hater? Anyone interested in that? I can pull it up. If you're not interested in listening to a little bit of it, then don't, but I can pull it up. It was fucking hilarious. I only got the end of it. Buy or sell. What do you trade? Forex currencies? Yes, I missed it. Run it. Buy or sell. Run it back. Alright. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bro, look how many views this fucking stream got. 548, biggest ever. It was so bizarre. I don't know if you guys can see that either. Probably not. Alright, let me pause the fucking music. How can I? Will this do anything? How good's that? Anyway, so bit of context. So this guy was coming in. Pull it up, that part you asked if he has any DIS support. Yeah. So this guy came in, you know, talking some shit, and he was saying the weirdest shit. And he was saying that I was like a fraud and a scammer and all this stuff. And so we got him in here, and it was fucking hilarious. So you guys can trade. I can't give that all away. $50 per month, correct? 40. And he kept requesting to come in. Make him 308. Amazing Quran. Thank you very much. Recitation. Hey, so I swear that. Can you guys hear it? Is it loud as fuck? Don't give him anything. Brownie 85. Let's do it.
Yo, what's up? What's going on?
Are you like feeling okay? Can you hear him?
No, I'm fine. I just find it weird that you have like this trade. You're giving like bro trade situations, right? When you're painted orange and you're bold. Like I have a problem with that because it's like,
thanks,
like,
Phoenix.
these are all kind of criminals, you know. These all paint each other like this is how we know you're a criminal because you paint each other orange and you're bolding at the same time, you know? Like, how are you orange? Is that a color? That's not a skin color, by the way. Just saying. Why are you orange?
Dude, are you okay?
No, I'm fine. I'm asking why you're orange.
What?
Yeah, I would if I called myself orange. I mean, you're like lying. You're literally lying to people that they can make shit. And how many? So you have all these followers. This is how you make your living?
No.
Okay, how do you make your living? Why are you doing this?
By being on TikTok? No, that's not. That's. I don't make like any money from TikTok.
So why are you doing this, orange man?
Because I can. Why do I need? What do you do for? What do you do for a living?
I mean, I actually work. I don't paint myself orange while I'm balding and pretend to like, you know, make people money. Like, don't act shocked. You're painted orange.
Am I?
You can pay what hair used to be. Still bald.
Do I need to change the light for you to show you that I'm not orange? Sheikh Mohammed Manso, thank you very much for following me.
Yeah,
dude, bro, like, when was the last time you slept?
Is that what you're gonna do, or are you gonna like talk about?
Mwana wa sharai, thank you very much for following me.
Yeah, thank for those followers. Thank those followers, little orange boy. You're a mini Trump.
Orange boy.
You come on live being like, oh, this is how you trade. No, this is how you scam people. You're a scam. Is there any way people can make money off you?
Make money off me? This is for entertainment purposes only, brother.
Okay, but you also get a link, right?
Yeah. Binu Matthew, thank you very much for following me.
Yeah. Okay, you didn't answer one of my questions.
How about you answer some of my questions?
Okay, give me a. Okay, I don't answer questions. First of all, I gave a question.
Okay, if you're not going to answer any of mine, why would I answer any of yours?
No, I gave a question first, right? No, you are giving that. Because who would paint themselves orange while they're balding? Like, you know, orange doesn't make you grow hair, right? Right?
Do you have?
Thank you, Warren.
Do you have?
I
like,
appreciate
a
the follow.
disability support worker? I think you should contact them.
Are you? I mean, you're giving Indian scam.
Hey, I'm just asking. Do you have your?
Orange.
Do you have a disability support worker?
King,
man?
thank you.
I really think you should maybe contact them and just make sure that, just to make sure that you're okay. I just want to make sure that you're okay. You know, because it doesn't particularly seem like you're okay, and I want to make sure that you're okay because I care about people, and I think you should maybe contact whatever disability support worker that you might have, because you know I don't know what particularly, because you're obviously not normal, right?
I'm not normal for saying that you're orange. You actually are orange.
No, you seem like you're having some
What color do you think your skin is?
white.
It looks orange to me.
Yeah, maybe that's the light or something. But as I just turned the light on, it was
Yeah, it's the lighting.
What city do you live in?
It's the lighting. It's the lighting. It's the lighting.
What city do you live in?
He's not a scammer. He's definitely a white guy. He's definitely not.
Mate, if you've got a huge problem with what I'm doing, what city do you live in? We can always you know, meet up and have a chat if you want. Like, what city do you live in? I'm happy to come have a chat to you.
Okay, right. Wait, are you trying to like fight now?
No, just have a chat. No, just have a chat. I would love to just have a chat to you, because you like man, I just want to make sure that you're okay, because you really don't sound like you're okay, man. Like, yeah, I really want to make sure that you're okay.
If I'm not okay, no, I'm fine because I'm not orange.
What? Yeah, I'm sure. I just want to make sure that everything upstairs is all good, you know, because to me,
Anyway.
it just doesn't sound like you're doing too good.
I mean, how's your hairline doing?
Not so well. I'm just not the most
Attacking the hairline, like, give me gig, fuck off.
What does that have to do with absolutely anything? Like, are we resorting down to like, you know, appearance insults? Because I could go there with you, man, and but I'm just not gonna do that.
Anyway.
I mean, you resorted to wanting to.
Noob. Morris ICT on YouTube called me a noob. I'm so sorry that I don't trade ICT concepts. I'm so sorry. Maybe you can teach me. Maybe you can teach me to trade ICT concepts. Alright, we gotta fix this now. Is this where we were at before? Or did we have a little bit more room to play with? I think we had a little bit more room to play with. Spartan Trader and User, thank you very much for following me. Anyway, so yeah, that guy yesterday was just a complete, absolute nutcase, and I genuinely thought he had like issues. I felt bad, like when, like, I don't know. I don't know. Actually, I don't really think he might not have had issues, but he was just like an idiot. It was very strange, very strange. But he really had a problem with oranges, me being orange. Like, I'm pretty sure, like, I kind of look orange, but I think it's just because the light's a little bit warm. But, you know, if I do that, I look pretty white. If I do that, obviously that's super warm. But there you go. This is the normal light. And I'm pretty fucking white. I'm a ranger. I'm white. Like, such a strange person. I don't know. Anyway, back to the stream. Oh, what up, Sienna? Why are you awake? Okay, yeah, it's fine.
Oh, bro called you orange so many times. Just popping off. What website should beginners use if they want to do this? You can go do the Baby Pips course if you want. babypips.com and then do the Forex course. The oranges, yeah, and everyone, I don't know if you saw, but like heaps of you guys were like spamming the orange emoji and the orange love hearts and shit. That was so funny. Ask ChatGPT, it'll give you the best in your area. Hilariously fried. Yeah, I know, that was so weird. One of those 5 minutes of fame. I mean, there's only like this. I mean, we don't have a massive stream, you know. It's very strange. Tom, I'm so happy I joined your team. Did you the Discord? So the free WAP. So obviously I got the link to the mentorship, which is on WAP, but I also have a link to just my free Discord, which is the free section on WAP, because before I had the Discord link on YouTube, I only had the WAP link, so when people went to the WAP link, they could get into the free Discord too. So you're in the free one, which is just the free Discord. But yeah, welcome. Is he racist against orange people? Yeah, I know, little orange boy's wild. Yeah, it was so strange. Let's go with appearance insults. Yeah, so weird. Don't listen to ICT concepts. I fucking absolutely do not. Stuff him. Yeah, it's fucking weirdo. Just chime back into your orange scam hairline. Yeah, people wanted to see it. We were talking about it. Such a fucking bizarre occurrence. That was actually so funny. Your comment last night on the fucking orange, you glad we fell for your scam? That was so funny. That was actually hilarious. That was a good call. That was a good call. Bitcoin sell or buy? Probably sell. Cooked peeps be trolling these TikTok streets. Yeah, I know. What the fuck? Focus on your goals. That dude is wide. Oh yeah, I don't care. I love it. Like, I literally, bro, I have the thickest skin ever. I don't give a shit what people say. Like, I literally do not care. Tom, guess what? What? What, Sienna? Oil trade gonna be crazy next week. Think trading? Yeah, I'd agree. Migsy, just jump on now. Got to catch up on these likes. John with 13K. Johnny, bro, thank you so much. And Migsy with almost 9K. 3 Alchemy fucking gave up. He talked the talk but couldn't walk the walk. Butchie Boy 2.8, Jack P 2.7, Josh 2.2, Rabbit Drop Bear 1.1, Elizabeth 488, and Unca 318. Thank you guys. Fucking very kind. We're already at 55K. Let's go. You got a boyfriend? Congratulations. Don't say that too loud. We gotta... Yeah, doesn't matter. But congratulations. That's awesome. Enjoy. I don't know. Neymar, thank you very much for following me. Zephyrus, what up? I've not taken advantage of oil yet since the news. Anyone doing well in that sector? I haven't either. I should have gone in a while ago, but I didn't. Yeah, I was letting him win. Yeah. Overall, you'd 100% be my top liker ever. Sell or buy, sir, on what? Hello, brother. Hello. I got to break up. Yeah, I know. That's why I was like, oh, maybe don't say it too loud. But yeah, we got one relationship, one breakup within like 24 hours. I'm really happy. Oh God. No, that's good. Fuck. Sorry, B. Sienna's young as fuck. We can be happy for her. What going on? Cool view. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Not a lot.
having a stream, talking some shit, having some fun. It's Friday. Oh, now that we have lots of people in here, what is everyone's weekend plans? What is everyone doing this weekend? I want to know. I want to know the plans. I love hearing the plans, and then I love hearing on Monday what the plans were. Now that we got some people in here, how to start Forex trading. Join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Watch the 1 hour free video on getting started into trading, and then either join the mentorship or come back and ask me questions or go out and find your own strategy. How many people will we get in today? What the fuck is this? We had so many people join yesterday. I can't even tell you how many fucking people joined yesterday. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We had 10 people join yesterday, and now we got 2? You guys feeling alright? What the fuck is this shit? We're about to hit 400 members too, which is just nuts to me. I know it's not the same as all these other fucking gurus with their 30,000 fucking Discord members, but you know, we're getting somewhere, and I appreciate every single one of you. What up, Lana? What's good? Sorry, I missed your call the other day. Sell or buy? Oh gee, that's right, guys. Just crying for you, Sienna. Bro Panda and Saeed. Thank you very much for following me. Cousin's wedding tomorrow. Exciting. Exciting. That's gonna be fun. Spill some for me, eh? Nothing, working 7 days. Jesus. That's rough. I'd love to study your strategy over the weekend. Join the mentorship. Hey, yo, bro, how can I start trading? Oh, yeah, answer that. Did Lana just... No, she's still in here. What's good, homie? Holy fuck, I just knocked my drink over. At least you didn't get currency tattooed on your knuckles like AJ, did he? I just walked 14 out, worked 40. Really? Doing what? Did you end up at like the bar or some shit? What does those 4 bars mean on Eurocard? 1 minute? What do you mean? These? His price isn't going anywhere. That's what you're talking about. 1 minute's psychotic. Hey bro, how can I start trading? I said, join Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Watch the 1 hour video on how to get started in trading. And then either join the mentorship if you want to go further, or fucking go out on your own and try your own shit, or come and message me with any questions that you might have. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Chowda Harakiyaka 786. Thank you very much for following me. Creed, yep, that's... Oh, sorry, King Creed. That would... Yeah, fucking hell, my brain. Yes, that's great advice. What is this? Meme coins? I'm new to trading. I don't know. Nah, this is currencies. Forex. Yeah, those like... What would you look at that and think? I think prices has no idea what it's doing. It went long, tried to go short, tried to go long, tried to go short, climbing up. Now it's coming back. The price isn't doing anything. And 1 minute charts, this is just algorithmic chop most of the time. So the 1 minute chart patterns don't particularly matter too much because it's all institutional algorithmic high frequency trading, a lot of it. So that sort of shit I wouldn't worry about at all.
What's your highest percentage you've traded? What do you mean by highest percentage? Like highest percent I've made? Or like the most risk that I've placed into a trade? I don't have any idea yet. That's right. What concept do you use, gang? I use a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. That's my strategy. Bitcoin analysis. Oh, that's gold. I have fucking no clue. Can you even do analysis on Bitcoin? I don't know. Market's going up, take profit move. What it does next, if it continues to crash or continues to go up, nobody knows. Bitcoin is so fucking random. Like, why did this even happen? What constituted this to happen? It's fucking Bitcoin. It's random as shit. Man, is Swiss yen still going fucking sideways? Oh, it's going up now. Fucking hell. Andre, Carwash Mino, and Olivia Trading. Thank you guys very much for following me. The most risk? Oh, it'd be like, I risked my entire account once. But it was a fun account, so it was like, whatever. I just did the highest lot size I possibly could. Right. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I apologize. But thank you very much for the 5 roses. I appreciate that a lot. Is 3 minutes better? I've never used a 3-minute chart in my life, so I don't know. But it's better than a 1 minute. I would minimum 5. I don't even know what the fuck that is. Register account as a source of trade signals. I'm fucking good, thanks. Also want to start doing crypto. I don't really like crypto, to be honest. Crypto's good for early investing and just getting lucky, catching palms, but besides that. And if you have a lot of money, crypto's good. What do we have here? Meegsy, hard meat. Thank you very much, Meegsy. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. User, thank you very much for following. Bro, buy or sell now. On what? I want every last drop. What do we have here? Club cheers from Meegsy and Chill Whale. Thank you. Fuck, I think I got more in it. That's tasty. Salt and egg whites. Bro, freaky. What do you mean? That looks sus. Did it? What do the fan club things do? I have no idea. Oh, fan club. What just happened? Oh, I reached 500 comments. What is this? We got bird chop up the top. No surprises there. I honestly don't know. Michelle is here? The fuck? Hello, Michelle. I don't know, you get points for something. I don't know. Okay. Cool. Cool. We love that. But, yeah, I don't know. What the fuck? Bitcoin USD for selling or continue buy? I don't know. I do not know. I would probably sell it long term. Don't blink. Laughing. Migsy's throwing up. What's going on? What's with all the... Michelle, thank you very much for the heart me. I appreciate that. What's with all the emojis and shit? Digital footprint? What are you guys talking about? Shaking salt? Well, shit, this just went in another direction. I don't know what you guys are talking about. King... I don't know what that is. Cross? I don't know what that is. King's Cross? So many people have added me since commenting on your stream, bro. Yeah, I know. Fuck. So my mate was talking about that yesterday or the day before. Like my actual friend, he came in, it was yesterday. He's like, dude, I have like so many fucking messages and shit from like fake accounts. I'm like, how do you think my inbox fucking looks? It's horrible. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. I apologize. They're trying to sell me. Yeah, it's just scammers. Hello, Michelle. Do you do long-term holds with Forex? Yeah. Like sometimes my trades are in for a couple of months. I don't particularly go into them wanting to hold them for months. The quicker I'm in and out is better because I don't get swap fees or anything. But sometimes I incur trades that I am in for a bit of time. It's very rare I'm in a trade for more than like 2 or 3 weeks. Very rare. How's a spike in his chart? Yeah. Well, that's what happens when war. That's Swiss yen. Piling money into fucking Swiss. Yeah, buy his course, he's orange. How do you decide which pairs you're going to trade for the day? Whenever my condition is there. If I don't have my setup, then it doesn't trade. It doesn't matter. There is certain circumstances where I'll decide not to trade specific pairs, which is currently... I've turned off almost all of the Swiss and yen pairs due to being the safe haven currency. But yeah, if my conditions are there, my EA is going to get me in. I get about 4 friend requests after every live. Fuck, sorry. Sorry, I feel bad. I apologize. Maylida, thank you very much for following me. What actually is a day trader, lol? Is there a night trader? Not trolling. Nah, so a day trader is just someone who buys and sells the market intraday. So I'm technically in between a day trader and a swing trader. So sometimes I'm in and out of the market throughout the day. Other times I'm in for days or weeks, which is considered a swing trader. And then position is like weeks to months, maybe even years. And then scalper is like minutes, seconds to minutes. What do you believe in the ORB method? Absolutely, that's what I used. Are you talking about the opening range breakout? That's literally what I used on indices for like a year and a half.
and made pretty good money. Just run a bot, yeah. Are you holding XRP? I have some, yeah. Hello, my leader. You're just betting currency versus currency? Yep. Yuna Lee, thank you very much for following me. Yeep, learning. That's all sweet. Do you offer Forex mentorship? Yeah, I've got a mentorship. Mentorship is linked in my bio. And you get a lot of value in there. And it's fucking cheap. Compared to other people's. Hi, what pair is it? Wow, can I ask you a question? The candle must break outside of the ORB zone and it must have a big volume. Wilfred. So, I traded it with a bot, right? So, fucking hell, that's really loud. So, what it would calculate, right? So, let's just say it didn't really matter how much volume it had. So, let's just say this was the range that I was picking for the opening range, and it would be pre-market. I would have pre-market set parameters to detect how big of a range it was going to be. If it was going to be too big, I wouldn't trade it. If it was going to be too small, I wouldn't trade it. It needed to be in a specific zone, right? So let's just say we had a range like that, right? So I'd put 2 buys in here and 2 sells in here. So depending on which way the market went, it didn't matter to me. It just needed to break. Once it broke, I would have a 2R for my first entry and a 5R for my second entry. So these would stay on. So I would actually hedge my positions, right? It was a hedging opening range breakout strategy. Can you call me baby? Baby. And Tornado, thank you very much for following. So if I hedged, that's fine, right? I'm only risking 2R. And then, but if we broke, I'm making 2R and then potentially making 7R. What is the ideal time frame for the ranges to be in? I mean, the ideal range, I think, is 30 minutes. I can't remember. There's some institutional reason for it. I cannot remember it. But I would use 5 minute. It's just what I liked. It's what I tested. I did test 15 minute, and I think I did test 30 minute as well, way back years ago. But I found that I like the 5 minute. But what was happening recently, so I made like quite a bit of money from that strategy, but what I found recently, for maybe a couple of weeks, it was just pissing me off. Like, so the market would open and then we would just get we'd break long and then we'd just go short and then I'd be hedged and then I'd have to be sitting at my computer for fucking ages and scalp out of it. And it was so fucking annoying. And the other thing is, now that I've started the community and everything, it was taking up so much of my time. So it just at the moment, just not for me. But there is some institutional reason. I honestly can't remember. I could probably find it, why institutions base opens off of 30-minute candles, but I honestly can't remember. I seriously cannot remember. It was so long ago. Tornado and Nask. No, I don't know. Thank you very much for following me. How do I upgrade my Black Bull account? What do you mean upgrade it? Okay, if it works, it works. I get you. Easy. Gold buy or sell. Yeah, I know what you mean. I was trading gold and the market has been very weird. I earned a lot from consolidation period because it was just doing the ping pong method in 15-minute time frames, but now it broke out. Yeah. I mean, there's lots of different opening range breakouts. I never used it on gold. I only used it on indices. So for London, I'd trade the DAX and the FTSE, and then New York. For a period of time when I first started, I was doing S&P, NASDAQ, and Dow Jones, but I scrapped the S&P because the S&P and the NASDAQ move almost exactly the same. So I was either doubling my wins or doubling my losses, and it just didn't make sense in my head to do both of them. So I just canned the S&P after a couple of months, and then just traded NASDAQ and US 30 Dow Jones on New York session. It was fucking annoying. If I got hedged and I had to sit in it waiting for a good spot to get out, I could be up till fucking 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. It was fucking awful. Obviously, I don't go to bed till like 6 a.m. now, but having to stare at the fucking charts till then sucked. So, yeah. What are your thoughts on... I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. What is required to get even a low funding account? Are you talking about prop? Like I picked the free option, but I want less commission, like subscription thing. So you're talking about like, I'm confused. You picked the free option, but I want less commission. Do you have a demo account or a live account? I'm confused. Not gonna lie, I can't even remember what accounts there are. I know there's Prime, Institutional, and I think it's just a standard account. But I'm confused on what you're... Yeah, standard, Prime, and Institutional. But if you go for a standard, there is no commissions, but the spread's more. I've got a Prime. I've got Prime. Because you have the option for swap free. The institutions you don't. Institutional accounts. Shit. Will Solana go to 2K? Hi, Olivia. Fuck's Olivia? I don't know. I don't pay attention to Solana. Well, thank you for your insights. I'm still a beginner. Started last week. That's all sweet. No stress. Any help? Join the Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Come have a chat. Where the real crypto gurus at? No spammers. Is there such thing? What, you trading gold, bro? Nah. Currencies. Pair, this is Euro Pound. I have a live account, but when I signed up, I had the option to pick like a different subscription. Yeah, that I got standard. Well, you need to, I think for a Prime account, you need to deposit like a couple of grand, maybe, I can't remember. And then institutions like 20. I don't know what your account size is or how much capital you have access to, but I don't understand what you're talking about with a subscription. I've never had a subscription with Black Bull. I don't. But you can change. So if you log in, I'm pretty sure you can just open another live account. So if you log into your Black Bull, for fuck's sake. You should have the option to just open a new live account and it should just do it instantly. You won't have to go through Prime. I have one standard account
But that's, I don't even know why the fuck I have that. I don't think I've ever used it. Yeah, no, it's for TradingView. I don't know why I have that account. But you should be able to just create an account. I don't think there's a subscription fee. I've never had to. I mean, I should probably take a look, but I don't. There should not be any subscriptions or anything you have to pay. That's just super strange. What country are you in, Tom? Also, what platforms do you use? I'm from Brisbane, Australia, and I use MT4 and Black Bull Markets as my broker. Why Forex? Because that's what I've been trading for almost 5 years. Oh my fucking god. Cactus Eater with the heart signal. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, dude, I'm like deaf. Nishant, thank you for following me. Likes going crazy tonight. We are kind of popping off on the likes, eh? Which we do have to get to 100k likes, which I didn't think we'd get to, and I was planning on boosting in a second because I got to keep editing. Oh fuck! I actually have a one-on-one to do after this. Actually, you're awesome. Look at the fucking you're awesomes. What the fuck? And there's no way I'm going live for another fucking 45 minutes. But yeah, what up, Charles? Jorge, George, thank you very much for following. Lingard, thank you very much for following. Alrighty, I swear there was like a monthly fee for Prime and Institutional. Nah, it's just a deposit limit. You got to deposit a certain amount of money. Ear check. Yeah, thanks for that. Fucking hell. Have a good night. Bro, you too. You just coming in here? 27 You're Awesomes? Are you fucking serious? Bro, thank you. You're awesome and I appreciate you coming in here and supporting every time. I do. But yeah, you have a good night also, brother. What do you think about XRP? I have no thoughts on it. It's stuck in a range. Nice. Naked Soul, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Popping off. What's left, ladies and gentlemen? Happy Friday to you too. It was Zakura. Thank you very much for following me. Yeah, we didn't end up getting into this. No. I wanted to have a look at my... Alright, so we're in 3 on US dollar CAD. 4. 3. Can't fucking see the screen. So 1 on this massive extension here. Waiting for the pullback. Didn't quite get it. We got a second one, which I absolutely could have taken profit on. And I probably should have, but I did not. And I paid the price for not taking profit on that, which doesn't really matter. I mean, we'd only be in like fucking 0.25% of drawdown, maybe 0.4% drawdown, so it doesn't really matter. We got in again, popped up again, even more. Look at the strength on this US dollar CAD, and then pull back, but it wasn't enough. If I got another position up here, that would have been enough. We'd be in profit, cash, money, dollars, dollars. You know how I draw my signs, dollars, dollars, dollars. But I paid the price for not taking profit there, which is okay. Explain what's going on here, bud. Weird shit happens in here. User, thank you very much for following me. I just gotta make sure that it's not the same user that keeps following me.
Where is it? Oh, fuck. Jimway. Thank you very much for following me. Do you trade NASDAQ? Nah, not anymore. Pretty sure you've asked that a couple of times. Nah, I'm new. You're new in here or new to trading? $9.15. Yeah, fuck. I'm gonna have to go in a second. Where'd my OBS just go? Fuck. It says it's running, but it's not even on my fucking hotbar. The fuck? Okay, I'm not gonna complain. K Swervo, thank you very much for following me. Why don't you trade NASDAQ anymore? I explained it before. I just wasn't not liking the market opens, so I just stopped. Plus, it's not. I don't have enough time. Welcome, John, Pavs, Ken, and B to the Discord. You might get 100k likes. Oh, I don't think I can stay. I've got to do a one-on-one. And I'm already as, like, mentally. Oh, fuck, there's nothing in that. I milked it dry. I don't day trade, hold stocks and Bitcoin, 290k. Nice, good job. Awesome. How often do you trade live? Every day. I'm watching. Watch. What are the 3 big mistakes you ever done trading? Yuli, look at that. Bye-bye. Leaving a fucking pending order on that I didn't know about and losing a shitload of money. Was my biggest mistake. The other big mistakes is listening to bullshit online and I don't know. It's probably the biggest ones. I don't know about 3. Yuli Pra, thank you for following me. And Lorenzo, thank you very much for following me. What's your interval set at? Interval? What do you mean? You share your setups. I'm fairly new and looking to learn more. Yeah, I give it all. I have a mentorship. Here we go. It sounds like I'm fucking plugging myself, but no, it's US dollars. I don't think I can set it to Australian. It's all in there in the mentorship, but I can show you how I trade. I trade using an expert advisor. So I developed a trading bot that will get you in and out of the market. However, I do suggest adjusting TPs and shit. And I mean, there's lots to learn, right? There's lots of fucking video material, and you can get in one-on-ones with me, which I gotta do a one-on-one as soon as I get off here. And I do them for free. Not for free, but I do them for free if you're a member of the mentorship. But yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, don't do that. Yeah, absolutely do not do that. Get blocked. 100% a scammer. Dude, what? That's all G, just seeing I'm from Gold Coast, all sweet. Like you, brother. Like me, what? Scammer? Let's have a chat. Do you wanna, you should go on my YouTube and see what happened to the last person that, had a discussion with me. Holy fuck, I'm actually so wrecked. But please explain, come on, we got a hater. Maybe this can wake me up. Come on. Got another one, yes. Come on, let's go. Come on. Please. Yeah, I think so. A bucking. What is this? No. False information? No. Frauds and scams. Yeah, I think that guy left. How much is your mentorships? $47 US a month. But if you go in there, you get the bot for free for life. And they're usually like hundreds of dollars. People charge hundreds of dollars for that fucking shit. So, you get it for free. Garcon Trader. And one-on-ones. Bro, people charge like thousands for one-on-ones. Oh, you pay them a fucking monthly fee anyway. You may as well get some fucking talking time. Did he run away? Yep, definitely give him a call. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna jump off. How much you up today? 0.38% of my account, if I'm correct. That's what it was before I went live. And I don't think I've taken profit yet. Huang Trong Thai, thank you very much for following me. Sweet, awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna boost. I'll be back probably not on Sunday, because there's gonna be a bit of drinking. So yeah, I probably won't be here on Sunday because I'll probably be a complete absolute potato. But I'll be back on Monday. Sell. How low did you heard for ICP? What? Have a good weekend. Stay safe weekend, bro. You too. Perfect timing. What? Hello? Nah, that's right. I'm literally saying goodbye. Anyway, see you guys later. Take it easy. If you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. Just link to my bio. If you're not following me, follow me! And yeah, take it easy. Have a fantastic weekend. Have a nice day. Bye. Real traders not here. Okay, buddy. Have a fantastic weekend. And yes, goodbye. Meow. Hold up. It's not off yet.
You're still alive.
Yeah.